So now we found out that part 7 is in stock, what I want to do is find out how many I've got in stock. So I'm going to use the same formula again, the VLOOKUP, so equals VL, then I can double click here. And let's just quickly run through the formula again. Lookup value, that's here, where we've written part 7. The table array is where we actually want to look for that value. The col index number is which column the information we want to return is, and in this instance that's column number 4. And finally, true or false, we want false, which is an exact match. Close the brackets, press enter, and this time, as you can see, because I've already written part 7, I have 36. Let's do that again. Let's change it to a different part just to see this working. I'm going to change it to part 5, and that's still in stock, yes. This time I've got 27 of it. It's a partially useful formula to have on the same table as the actual original information, but what would be better is to actually put it on a new sheet altogether. Okay, so we've got the same area that we've got here, the same table here. Let's use the formula again. Okay, so this is using it on a different worksheet. So start with the equals again, VL, there's our VLOOKUP help, so double click on that. So the lookup value, that's still going to be information that we put here. The table array is on the previous sheet, so I need to click on sheet 1, do the same thing again and highlight the information and close that part of the formula with a comma. So as you can see, it's now got this new part here, sheet 1 exclamation mark, in front of the area that the table is sitting. When I go back there, rather annoyingly, we get this sheet 2 pop up. Well, I don't want that, so let's delete that sheet 2. And the column that I want is column number 3, is it in stock or not? And finally we get our false, and as I've done before, we close the bracket, press enter, and get our NA that we got before. So let's find out, is part PRT011 in stock? No, it's not. How about part 10? Is that in stock? Yes. So quick run through again, equals VLOOKUP. That's where we're going to look for our information. The table is on sheet 1, comma. When we go back to sheet 2, we need to delete that rather annoying sheet 2. I'm sure an expert somewhere else would know how to do that better. The column this time is 4 and false. So you can either type it in or click on the help, close brackets, enter, and we have 3 of part 10 in stock.